In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Gmail account using the same phone number. This process is simple and convenient, especially if you already have a Google account but want to set up another one without needing a different phone number. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google account sign up page. You'll find all the necessary options to get started. Here you'll see fields for entering your basic information. Begin by typing in your first and last name. Remember, this is how your name will appear when you send emails, so make sure it's correct and how you want it displayed. Next, you need to choose a unique Gmail username. Google has millions of users, so don't be surprised if your first choice is already taken. If that happens, try combining your initials with numbers or adding a middle name to increase your chances of finding an available username. After that, create a secure password and confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. Always aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to strengthen your password and protect your account from potential security threats. Once you've entered this information, select Next to move forward. Now it's time to add your phone number. Even if this number is already linked to another Gmail account, don't worry, Google allows its use for multiple accounts. Simply enter your phone number on the next screen and Google will send a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Once you receive the code, enter it in the designated field to verify your phone number. After verifying your phone number, you'll be prompted to provide recovery information. Although this step is optional, it's highly recommended for added security. Enter an alternative email address for recovery purposes and then proceed to enter your birth date and gender. You're almost done. Next, it's crucial to agree to Google's privacy and terms. Take a moment to review these terms as they detail how your information will be used. When you're ready, click I agree to proceed. And that's it. Your new Gmail account is now set up and ready for use. You've successfully used the same phone number to create this account. This means you can manage and recover both your new and existing accounts with that single phone number, providing convenience and security. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide was helpful. If you encounter any issues, feel free to revisit specific sections of this tutorial. Enjoy your new Gmail account and all the features it offers.